That's one 36-count package of our Rhodes frozen rolls. Coming in with 2 sticks of melted butter. Adding in some fresh cut strawberries that are quartered. Now I'm adding in some Nestle Toll House semi-sweet chocolate chips. You can use dark chocolate or milk chocolate, white chocolate, whatever you like. Alrighty, we're gonna come in with some pure cane sugar, just about 1/4 cup. And now we've got our chocolate cook and serve instant Jell-O pudding. This is a family size box, and I'm adding that whole thing. All right, we're gonna get this mixed together. This is a really fun take on this delicious dessert bread that you can make with these Rhodes rolls. Now, often we do this with the kind of like a sticky toffee sort of way. But I wanted to do one with strawberries and chocolate, just some of my favorite flavors. And these Rhodes rolls are just gonna rise up so nicely and make this delicious bread. Of course, we gotta wait for them to rise, but then it's gonna be easy as pie. We're just gonna bake this in the air fryer and it's gonna come together so nicely. I think y'all are really going to enjoy this. All right, I'm just grabbing some of my saran wrap here. I'm gonna put a little Pam on here. And we are just gonna stick this over the top. You can let it rise overnight. Either way, we are going to have a delicious treat when we're done. Alrighty, we let this rise overnight and then it was very puffy and then it kind of deflated a little bit. But what I'm gonna do now is just kind of make sure it's all contained in here. Perfect. Alrighty. Time to go into the air fryer, turning the power on here. This is a little hard to see, you guys. We're gonna go to 20 minutes and the temperature we're gonna do 350. And I think it's gonna take about 35 minutes total, but I'm gonna check on it after 20. Alrighty, y'all. We only had to cook this for 20 minutes. Look how amazing it looks. Wow. I'm gonna put just a little bit of frosting that I microwaved here right on top, just like that. Wow. Looks so good. Oh, listen to that crunch, 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 crunch. Oh, we've got that chocolate in here and our berries. All kinds of goodness. And that chocolate pudding. Wow, that looks incredible. Y'all, you gotta try it.